Hello everybody, this is take two. Just had a mishap recording this before. So anyways, I just want to say happy July the 4th to those who are celebrating. Um, so for me, I'm benefiting due to the celebration. So anyways, so far, oh by the way, uh, this game is called Cooking Adventure. Let me make sure this. Oops, it's not. Let's say that. Okay. So, anyways, this is a cooking adventure game. Obviously, it's about food. And so far, um, this has been my stores, restaurants. The beauty salon doesn't is not included. That's a different has a different function. So dress ups and pets. And I didn't know about this before that they have certain um, enhancements, I guess. It's such as, anyways, that's not the game point. So, um, I I usually play this game on PC where I could use the mouse instead of playing this on the phone. Ooh, that's too bad. As you can see why. One of the things. One of the reasons why I prefer playing it on PC. So cooking adventure, I just love what. Anyways, I just like how Grampus. I think that's how you read. Oh come on! I got attracted to this game because of its obviously of its graphics, and it's just cute, and it's not like any other or most of the cooking games that I've seen. Graphics is good, and there are certain characters in this game that are familiar, and of course, as you can see right on this level 20, you can see someone very familiar. Of course, that's another different character. See, it's Dr. Albert Watch, obviously inspired by the famous Albert Einstein. So we're playing the game again. Ooh. So one of the reasons why I don't play this game on the phone is because the game isn't it's not responsive. I have to keep on ah, I have to keep on double tapping these things. Woohoo! Anyways, I'm getting distracted. Oh, come on. Oops. I forgot about that. Ow! And the guy who is not Very fun. Oh dear. Mm. Ay. Eesh. So, yeah. Anyways. Ooh. Whose order is this? Ah. Anyways. Ah. So hard. Where was I? I no. Mm, that would definitely suck. What the? Oh, see what I mean? I can't see. No. Oh no. Oh no, I'm sorry, I cannot. Anyways, I'm getting frustrated over this game over the. It's a lot quicker doing this on a PC. Oops, I think I gave it to the wrong person. So, I'm out of time. Okay. Ah, a lot of unhappy customers. Oh, that sucks. So that's uh, how the game is played.